In the energy quadrant, taking a look at the crude oil, the WTI crude oil futures contract, which continues to crawl lower within a range that has now formed a small down channel. And for the last two sessions, WTI futures have been reaching to the upside of that channel and then they sold off. Crude oil is lower now for the second consecutive session, dropping a total of 4.77% over those two sessions. The high today, 70.30, was up 1.97%. The low may still be in play, though. We're still under pressure here. 68.05 is the current low with a little bit of time left in the session. That's down 1.29%, and we're sitting down at about 68.08. So we're close to that low, again, with a little bit of time left in the session today. OPEC Plus is in the news as discussions by key OPEC Plus nations have begun to delay the oil production restart that was pushed from November to December, then to January, and they're discussing delaying it by several more months this time, according to a report from Bloomberg. The nations doubt that they can go ahead with this 180 barrel per day increase that was scheduled for January, and may also choose to postpone any production hikes for the next 3 to 6 months. This is something they're currently discussing, but the delegates that talked about it to Bloomberg were not named in the story, so we don't really know how credible it is. Without Saudi Arabia, it's not really credible. Russian sanctions also were in the crude oil news. Turkey is seeking a U.S. sanctions waiver to continue using a now sanctioned Russian bank to pay for its energy imports from Russia. Russia's exports have not really suffered in any real way, and this is another assault on the sanctions process. No real news if they're going to allow this waiver, but either way, this is adding theoretical supply to an already oversupplied market.